Determine the slope of the line that contains the two given points. Alright, so I've written our slope formula over here on the right-hand side of the screen. Let's go ahead and use that formula to determine the slope for the 2 points that are given in example A. So I'll just label this x1, y1, and x2, y2. And then we'll go ahead and plug those into the formula for slope. So m is equal to, so y2 will be negative 3 minus y1, which is just 1, divided by x2, which is 4, minus x1, so that'll be minus 2, right? So minus 2. And then we'll have negative 3 minus 1, which is negative 4, over 4 plus 2, right? Because the two negatives will make it positive. So we'll end up with negative 4 over 6. Now you can reduce that, of course. 2 goes into both of those, giving you negative 2/3. All right, let's look at example B then. For the slope for this one, it'll be m is equal to, again, x1, y1, x2, y2. Let's go ahead and plug in the values then. So y2 will be 3 minus y1, which is 3, divided by x2, which will be negative 1, minus x1, which is 2. So you end up with 0 over negative 3, or in other words, just 0. So it means that the slope for this line is 0. That indicates that it's a horizontal line. So remember that if you have 0 slope, it means your slope belongs to a horizontal line. Okay, let's take a look at example C then. So using that same slope formula, again, x1, y1, x2, y2. So we'll have y2, which is 3, minus y1, so a negative 1, and that will be divided by x2, which is 1, minus x1, which is also 1. So this will give you 3 plus 1 over 0, or in other words, 4 over 0, and that's undefined. And whenever that occurs, it indicates that we're dealing with a line that is vertical. So this implies a vertical line.